Hello, everyone. I'm Anna,
And I'm David.
and welcome back to English Speaking Podcast. Today, we're going to teach you 100 of the most common English questions and how to answer them naturally. David is going to ask me these questions, and I'll give you real, genuine answers so you can learn exactly how native speakers respond in everyday conversations.
Before we start, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss our English lessons.
Right, let's get started. David, are you ready?
Absolutely. Let's do this. What is your full name?
My full name is Anna Marie Thompson.
How do you spell your first name?
A-N-N-A. Anna.
Who chose your name?
My grandmother, actually. I'm named after her.
Where were you born?
I was born in Chicago, Illinois.
Do you still live there?
No, I moved away about 5 years ago.
Where do you live now?
I currently live in Austin, Texas.
Do you like living there?
I love it. The weather's amazing and the people are so friendly.
How long have you lived there?
I've been living in Austin for 5 years now.
What's your nationality?
I'm American.
How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is June 15th.
What's your zodiac sign?
I'm a Gemini, though I don't really follow astrology that much.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married yet.
Do you have a boyfriend or girlfriend?
Yes, I have a boyfriend. We've been together for 3 years.
Do you have any children?
No, not yet. Maybe in the future.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older sister and a younger brother.
How old are they?
My sister is 32 and my brother is 25.
Are you close to your family?
Very close. We talk almost every day.
How often do you see your family?
I try to visit them at least once a month. It's a bit of a drive, but totally worth it.
What does your father do?
My father is an architect. He designs commercial buildings.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a nurse. She works at a children's hospital.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Whiskers. He's adorable, but super lazy.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment, a 2-bedroom apartment in the city center.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my roommate, Sarah. We've been living together for 2 years.
Do you like your apartment?
I really do. It's cozy and the location is perfect.
How many rooms does your apartment have?
It has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a kitchen, and a living room.
Do you have a balcony?
Yes, we have a small balcony. It's my favorite spot to have morning coffee.
What's your favorite room in your home?
Definitely the living room. It's where we relax and watch movies.
Do you have a garden?
No, unfortunately, but I have some plants on the balcony.
Who does the housework?
Sarah and I share everything. We have a cleaning schedule.
Do you have which side of the bed do you sleep on?
I always sleep on the right side. Don't ask me why, it's just my side.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up around 7 a.m. on weekdays.
Are you a morning person or a night person?
Definitely a morning person. I'm most productive in the morning.
What's the first thing you do when you wake up?
I check my phone. Bad habit, I know. Then I make coffee.
What time do you start work?
I usually start working around 9 a.m.
What do you do for work?
I'm an English teacher and content creator. I make videos to help people learn English.
Do you work from home?
Yes, mostly from home. Sometimes I go to a cafe to change the scenery.
What time do you finish work?
Usually around 5 or 6 p.m., but sometimes I work longer if I'm filming.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I try to go to bed by 11 p.m. I need my 8 hours of sleep.
How many hours do you sleep?
I usually get about 7 to 8 hours. Any less, and I'm grumpy.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually have oatmeal with fruit or sometimes eggs and toast.
What time do you eat lunch?
Around 1 p.m., sometimes later if I'm busy.
What's your favorite food?
Oh, that's hard. I'd say Italian food, especially pasta.
Can you cook?
Yes, I love cooking. It's actually very relaxing for me.
What's the best dish you can cook?
I make a really good chicken curry. Everyone loves it.
Do you prefer cooking at home or eating out?
I enjoy both, but cooking at home is healthier and cheaper.
What's your favorite restaurant?
There's this amazing Thai restaurant near my place. The food is incredible.
Do you like spicy food?
I love spicy food. The spicier, the better.
What's your favorite drink?
Coffee. Definitely coffee. I can't start my day without it.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
Coffee, always. Though I do enjoy a nice herbal tea in the evening.
Do you drink alcohol?
Occasionally, yes. I like wine with dinner on the weekends.
What's your favorite dessert?
Chocolate cake. I have a serious sweet tooth.
Are you a vegetarian?
No, but I try to eat less meat these days for environmental reasons.
Do you eat healthy?
I try to. Everything in moderation, right?
What do you do in your free time?
I love reading, going for walks, and of course, making YouTube videos.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy photography, cooking, and learning new languages.
Do you play any sports?
I play tennis occasionally. I'm not very good, but it's fun.
Do you like watching sports?
Not really, to be honest, but I'll watch the Olympics.
What sports did you play when you were younger?
I played soccer in high school. I was on the school team.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I try to work out at least 3 times a week.
What kind of exercise do you do?
I do yoga and jogging. Sometimes I go to the gym.
Do you like reading?
I love reading. I try to read at least one book a month.
What kind of books do you like?
I enjoy fiction, especially mystery novels and thrillers.
Who's your favorite author?
I really like Agatha Christie. Her stories are so clever.
What was the last book you read?
I just finished The Silent Patient. It was amazing.
Do you watch TV?
Not traditional TV, but I watch shows on streaming platforms.
What kind of shows do you like?
I love crime dramas and comedies, sometimes documentaries too.
What's your favorite TV show?
Right now, I'm obsessed with Wednesday. It's so good.
Do you like going to the cinema?
Yes, there's something special about watching movies on the big screen.
What was the last movie you watched?
I watched Oppenheimer last week. It was incredibly long, but worth it.
What's your favorite movie?
That's tough. Probably The Shawshank Redemption. It's a classic.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I listen to all kinds of music. Pop, indie, jazz. Depends on my mood.
Who's your favorite singer or band?
I'm a huge fan of Taylor Swift. Her songwriting is incredible.
Do you play any musical instruments?
I used to play the piano when I was younger. I'm a bit rusty now, though.
Can you sing?
Only in the shower. I'm terrible at singing.
Do you listen to music while you work?
Sometimes, but only instrumental music. Lyrics distract me.
Have you been to any concerts?
Yes, I went to a concert last year. The atmosphere was electric.
Do you like traveling?
I absolutely love traveling. It's one of my favorite things to do.
Where have you traveled?
I've been to Mexico, Canada, France, Spain, and Japan.
What's your favorite country?
Spain. The culture, the food, the people, everything was amazing.
Where would you like to travel next?
I really want to visit Italy. I've always dreamed of seeing Rome and Venice.
Do you prefer traveling alone or with others?
I prefer traveling with friends or family. It's more fun to share experiences.
What's your favorite mode of transportation?
Flying is the most convenient, but I also love road trips.
Do you get jet lag?
Unfortunately, yes. It takes me a few days to adjust.
What do you usually pack for a trip?
Too much. I always overpack, even for short trips.
Do you like beaches or mountains?
Beaches. I love the ocean and relaxing by the water.
Have you ever been camping?
Yes, a few times. It's fun, but I'm not great at roughing it.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube mainly.
How much time do you spend on your phone?
Probably too much. maybe 4 to 5 hours a day.
What do you use your phone for most?
Work, social media, and messaging friends.
Do you prefer texting or calling?
Texting, definitely. I'm not a big phone talker.
Are you good with technology?
I'd say I'm pretty good. I can figure most things out.
What's your favorite app?
Probably Spotify. I use it every single day.
Do you play video games?
Not really, but I used to play when I was younger.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, especially for clothes and home decor.
Where do you usually shop?
I shop at a mix of online stores and local boutiques.
Do you prefer shopping online or in stores?
In stores, I like to try things on before buying.
What's your favorite store?
I love Zara. They have great styles at reasonable prices.
How often do you buy new clothes?
Maybe once a month, sometimes less.
What's your style?
I'd say casual chic, comfortable but put together.
Do you follow fashion trends?
A little bit, but I mostly wear what I like.
What's your favorite color to wear?
I love wearing blue. It suits me well.
Do you wear makeup?
Yes, usually just natural makeup for every day.
Do you have any tattoos?
No, but I've thought about getting one.
How would you describe yourself?
I'd say I'm friendly, creative, and a little bit of a perfectionist.
What's your best quality?
I think I'm a good listener. People tell me that a lot.
What's your worst quality?
I can be too hard on myself sometimes. I'm working on it.
Are you an introvert or an extrovert?
I'm more of an ambivert, somewhere in between.
Are you shy?
In new situations, yes, but I warm up quickly.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with loved ones, good food, and traveling.
What makes you angry?
Rudeness and people being late. I really value punctuality.
Are you a patient person?
Most of the time, yes, but I can get impatient with slow internet.
What are you afraid of?
Spiders. I can't stand them.
What's your biggest dream?
To travel the world and help people learn English everywhere I go.
Well, Anna, that was all 100 questions.
Thank you so much, David. That was fun. I hope you all enjoyed learning these common English questions and answers. Remember, the best way to improve is to practice. So try using these questions with your friends or language partners.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.
Yes, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our lessons. We post new videos every week to help you improve your English.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
See you in the next lesson. Bye!
Bye.